This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, open any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with a very default yet convenient choice of Google. Type in Fortnite APK exactly like so. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Then go for it. Once the web page gets loaded, tap on the Download the app from Epic Games link over here. Confirm the download by tapping on the Download Anyway option. Then open the file. As you can see, prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps, so we'll do exactly that by turning on this toggle. Then we can confirm the Epic Games launcher installation. After it has been installed, we can open the app. Then tap on this Get button in front of a Fortnite, and onwards on this yellow Install button. So now we'll wait for the Fortnite to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, so now we can go ahead and launch the Fortnite. And all that you need to wait for is for the game to download all necessary updates and resources. So once this process will be finished, you'll be able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.